Last week, I was at a conference with educators, and lesson planning or coming up with ideas using AI was really a hot topic. So I thought I'd use ChatGPT within CueCam as a way of walking through how I might plan a course. And the thought was, let's say you've got a room and it's got a ceiling up here, and you're at one end of that room, say right there, and you're going to throw a projectile over to the other side of the room. How high do you have to throw that projectile? Let's say it's a beanbag. And that was a topic of conversation as could be used in the classroom. And of course, that's a good idea, but how do you take that idea and turn it into a lesson? So let's ask ChatGPT for some help. You are an expert teacher of 10-year-olds, and you understand how to describe physics in very understandable ways. I'm trying to create a lesson around throwing a projectile across a room. Let's say the room is fairly large. Let's say it's like, 100 feet in one direction, and its height might be 40 feet high. So in that kind of a hall, let's say I have a 2-pound uh, beanbag. How high should I be throwing that beanbag in order to reach the other wall? Okay, that's my question. And the first thing I get back is text of that question. And then I'm asking Chat GPT 4.0, which is now released and is much quicker than its predecessors. So when I do this, it does a lot of things, but it gives me almost immediate feedback about the principles, force, angle, air resistance, and what might happen when I throw the beanbag, and what angle to do, and a way to do the experiment. So use a short distance. Okay, this is interesting stuff, and bring it all together. Okay, so the other thing that ChatGPT does is it can bring in graphics. Create an image of what you describe. There's my image. Well, what do you know? Would you like the visual diagram? Yes, please give me a step-by-step visual diagram of how to execute this experiment in class. I don't know. I think I like the first image better than the second one. So I'm going to say, uh, remove the students sitting at tables and just focus on the dynamics of the ball in flight. Oh my. Yeah, we're getting a little bit nutty. Now remove the ball and just have arrows showing the flight path. Well, there you have something that's useful. I'm going to take a screen grab of that because I know that goes to the place that I can get it. Here's my download screenshot, and I'm going to drop that right there. And there it is. So that got me that picture, and I want to convert it into a fill. There we go. And so here's a way to introduce the lesson, and I've been given all the structure that I need in order to give a presentation using CueCam with graphics for a class session.